In today's video, I will show you how to create a custom segment audience step-by-step in Google Ads. Custom segments allow you to target people based on their search behavior, the websites they visit, and the apps they use. This helps you reach users who are already interested in products or services similar to yours. Let's get started. First, log in to your Google Ads account. From the left menu, click on Tools and Settings. Under the Shared Library section, click on Audience Manager. Inside Audience Manager, you will see different audience types such as Your Data, Custom Segments, and Combined Segments. Now click on Custom Segments. Next, click the plus button to create a new custom segment. Now you need to give your audience a name so you can easily identify it later. Below that, you will see two main options. The first option allows you to target people based on their interests, purchase intentions, or the terms they search for on Google. Here you can add keywords related to your product or service. For example, if you are promoting digital marketing services, you might add keywords like Google Ads Services, Digital Marketing Agency, or Facebook Ads Management. The second option is people who browse websites similar to these. Here you can add competitor websites or industry-related websites. Google will try to find users who frequently visit these types of websites. You can also add apps related to your industry if needed. Once you finish adding your targeting signals, click Save. Your custom segment audience is now created. You can now use this custom segment in your display, YouTube, or demand gen campaigns to reach people who are actively interested in your niche. Using custom segments is a powerful strategy because it helps you target high-intent users who are more likely to convert. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Digital Growth Tutor for more tutorials.